Here is a 2017 Porsche Macan GTS model. It has the large Brembo brakes, the 21-inch wheels, new Pirelli tires. The GTS model is a 3-liter V6 that is twin turbocharged. Makes 360 horsepower and 369 foot-pounds of torque. This one here just had the windows tinted, and it matches perfectly. I don't know if you can tell from this angle or not, but the rear windows are factory tint, the front windows are aftermarket tint, and the complete windshield has been tinted as well. Just had a full ceramic coating applied to the paint. And then on top of that, even a ceramic detail spray going over some of the plastic pieces, glass, chrome pieces, etc. Just an unbelievable car. It's also a 7-speed automatic transmission, dual clutch. It does have the unique brown leather interior. I guess it's better than the beige or black that you would most commonly see. But if you have any questions about the ceramic detail or the ceramic detail spray, just leave a comment below. I'll be more than glad to answer questions. Just a beautiful vehicle. I love this white color. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, like it, subscribe, and or leave a comment.